Happy Friday, first graders! Today's lesson is 3 for me, adding 3 numbers. We are going to be exploring and practicing adding 3 numbers using our different strategies that we learned this week. Here are your possible strategies: making 10, finding doubles, number lines, and a 120s chart. All right, find the sum of 4 plus 3 plus 6. What strategy could we possibly use? We are going to be making 10. We know that 4 plus 6 equals 10. We add our 3. 10 plus 3 is 13, which makes 4 plus 3 plus 6 13 as well. Find the sum of 4 plus 8 plus 3. What possible strategy could we use? We can choose to use a number line or a 120s chart. Let's use a number line to help us find the sum. First, we're going to need to jump 4 times. Then we're going to jump 8 more times. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then lastly, we're going to jump 3 more times. 1, 2, 3. So the sum of 4 plus 8 plus 3 equals 15. Okay, find the sum of 7 plus 2 plus 7. What strategy could we possibly use? Right, we are going to be using finding doubles. We know that 7 and 7 is a double, which makes 14. Then we add our 2. 14 plus 2 equals 16, which makes 7 plus 2 plus 7, 16 as well. Find the sum of 8 plus 5 plus 4. What strategy could we use? We are going to use a 120s chart to help us find the sum. First, we are going to count to 8. Then we're going to count 5 more spaces. And then lastly, we're going to count 4 more spaces. So the sum of 8 plus 5 plus 4 is 17. Find the sum of 8 plus 5 plus 2. What strategy could we use? Right, we are going to be making 10 using 8 and 2. We know that 8 plus 2 equals 10. We add our 5. So 10 plus 5 equals 15, which makes 8 plus 5 plus 2, 15 as well. Okay, now you're going to get to try some on your own. Find the sum of 4 plus 2 plus 4. First, tell me, what strategy are you going to be using? I hope you said finding doubles. We know that 4 plus 4 is a double, which makes 8. We add our 2, so 8 plus 2 equals 10, which makes the sum of 4 plus 2 plus 4, 10 as well. Okay, find the sum of 6 plus 2 plus 7. What strategy are you going to use? Right, you could have either used a number line or a 120s chart. A number line was used to find the sum here. Here's an example that they chose. Okay, so they jumped all the way to 6. Then they jumped 2 more times. And then lastly, they jumped 7 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the sum of 6 plus 2 plus 7 is 15. Or did you use a 120s chart? If so, share how you used it to find the sum. Find the sum of 6 plus 3 plus 5. What strategy are you going to be using? Did you use a number line or a 120s chart? If so, you're correct. A 120s chart was used here to find the sum. First, they counted 6 spaces, then 3 more, and then lastly, they counted 5 spaces. So the sum of 6 plus 3 plus 5 is 14. And if you used a number line, please share how you used it to find the sum. Well, awesome job using all of these strategies to help you find the sum of 3 addends.